Hello, my name's Wayne Martin. I'm speaking to you here on a wet but beautiful autumn day in Wivenhoe Park, which is the home of the University of Essex. I'm a professor of philosophy here at the university, and I'm looking forward to delivering a lecture in the Knowledge is Great series, sponsored by the British Council in Singapore. The topic of my lecture will be the ethics of triage. Triage is a set of principles and practices for managing scarcity of medical resources, particularly in mass casualty events like battlefields, natural disasters, and pandemics. We're going to be talking about the history of triage as it was developed, particularly formal approaches in 19th century military history. We'll look at the approach that was developed by Napoleon's army surgeon and a different approach that was developed by the British Navy. But my interest is really going to be thinking about what philosophical ethics might have to contribute in thinking about triage. So we'll be looking not just at the medical and legal issues, but at the values that inform triage policy and the way in which different cultural configurations, different cultural settings and historical settings have used different values to inform their triage decisions. We'll look at the pandemic, the COVID pandemic, and think in particular about different approaches that have been taken to triage during COVID, and at the challenge specifically of avoiding discrimination in making triage decisions. So I hope you'll be able to join us 25th of November, Knowledge is Great, British Council of Singapore. See you there.